In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for website link. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in QR code generator. Then you're going to scroll down and click on this one called Online QR Generator. Now, I'm already signed in, but it's going to ask you to sign in. You can sign in with your email and password or directly via Google Gmail. And then you're going to be redirected to this page where you can see your QR codes. Now, in order to create a QR code, you have to click up here where it says Create QR Code. And then first, it's going to ask you to select a type of a QR code. So we said we want a website QR code, but there's many different options you can choose from. So click on Website. Then you have to input your website URL. Now, let's say I want YouTube for this example. Then you can name your QR code, and let's name this one YouTube as well. Then you can set a password to this QR code, but I'm not going to do this right now. And you can put it in a specific folder in your account, but I'm not going to do that either because it does not matter for this tutorial. So once that's done, you can go on to Next, where you're going to design the QR code. Now, as you can see, you can design a frame that you want your QR code to appear in. There's many different options, and let's say I like this one with a bow on top. Okay, you can then put on custom text, so I'm gonna put YouTube again. You can also select a frame color or use a gradient frame color. I'm going to use red for this instance because YouTube is red. And then you can use a frame background color, but I don't want it right here, so I'm gonna just put it as transparent, and it's gonna stay transparent or white, as you can see in this case. Then you can choose your QR code pattern. Now there are many patterns you can choose from. You can just select one that you like. Let's say one the red hearts. And then you can also choose the pattern background color. So let's say I want this one red as well. And as you can see, the background is now totally red. And then you have QR code corners. You can select how you want the corners to look like and the dots in there as well. Let's say I want this one and this one. There we go. It's now customized. You can also change colors, but I like it as this, so the black color. And you can also add a logo in there. You can upload a logo, which is going to be in the middle of your QR code, but the maximum size of it can be only 1 megabyte. So you have to create a logo that's low dimensions, upload it in here, and it will show up in the middle of your QR code. But I'm not going to do this right now since I don't really have a logo to put in. And then once you're done, you can, as you can see, preview your code over here, and then just press on Create. And that's it. You can then download your QR code as PNG, JPEG, or any other formats you like. I'll just select PNG, download it, and as you can see, it downloaded, and here's the QR code. Now it looks default since it always downloads a default QR code, but if you want your custom QR code, you can just go in here and view it here and download it via this button.